Hey y'all, so I realized I've kind of skimped on a lot of my nursing content videos, and I've had some people send me messages and ask me certain things, which if you ever have a question, it made me really happy that you think I'm approachable, so thank you so much. But anyway, so the question was if I thought bedside nursing or being a nurse practitioner was more hands-on, which I thought was a really good question. What I do now, so I do aesthetics and then I also do like knee injections and nerve blocks. So I kind of do a plethora of things, but I don't do primary care. And so I just chose a specialty route. So I do a lot of hands-on things, and but I still think being a bedside nurse is probably more hands-on, I guess. Mainly because being a bedside nurse, I had, 5 or 6 patients at a time, but when, I'm working here, I focus on one person at a time. So that makes it a little less stressful, in that regard anyways. But I still think being a bedside nurse is probably the more intense. Sorry, I'm in an empty parking lot and somebody just pulled up beside me and I don't know what to do. All right. Okay, thank you. Let me know if you have other questions. Bye.